To continue our discussion, facultative anaerobic bacteria. So these are organisms that lives and grows in the absence of oxygen. Some exist in the intestine. Okay? So use of oxygen when it's present but are able to continue growth by using the fermentation process, anaerobic respirations when oxygen is not available. So tawag doon facultative anaerobic bacteria. Okay? Even without absence of bacteria oxygen, they can able to produce oxygen also, okay, by anaerobic respirations and fermentations. Okay. So enterobacterious species, we have the gram-negative Escherichia coli. So Bacillus facultative anaerobic siya. So usually it causes the inflammation ng appendicitis, the gallbladder, kidney, urinary bladder, endotoxin shock, the enteroinvasive gastroenteritis, enterotoxigenic gastroenteritis, hemorrhagic gastroenteritis. So this O157 is known to be the strain. You have traveler's diarrhea or the Montezuma's revenge. So it was named after the Montezuma. Okay. So I forgot to mention about the HAL files. Ito yung may 3 they live in 3.5% salt concentration. So yung Halopherax, Geometricum, Halococcus, Halotrigina, Halorubrum, Haloarcola, Halobacterium. Okay. Soy sauce, ito yung sa soy sauce the Chromohalobacter bichirinki. Okay. We have also salt beans, itong sa brine, ito lang may salt na lemon na siya. Okay. So the Tetragenococcus halophilus. Okay. So bacteria used for bioremediation. So when we say remediation, ito forgot to mention while ago the uses of this bacteria. Usually ito yung ginagamit na biodegradations of the wastes. Okay, yung Pseudomonas putida, aromatica, the nitriferous, the Deinococcus rhabdosurans, the Metylibium, Petrolipillum, and the Alcanoborax borkamensi. Okay, the borkomensi I mean. Okay, so microbial enzymes. So this one are used in different food industries. Okay, in the industry I mean, yung alpha amylase. So baking, brewing, yung mga starch liquefaction, bread, quality brew, rice cakes, clarification fruit juice, yung glucoamylase, okay? So yung sa beer production, okay? Bread quality improvements, mga tinapay wala. So high glucose and fructose syrups, yan. Fruit chase, okay? Meat tenderization, yung pagpahumok ng ng mga karne, coagulation of milk, bread quality improvement. Lactase o beta-galactosidase, lactose intolerance reduction people, prebiotic food ingredients, okay? Usually dito yan sa mga children wala na may mga intolerance sila sa lactose. Lipase, this one yung sa mga cheese, cheddar, cheese flavor, production of lipase milk fat. Okay? Esterase, ito yung nagamit sa fragrance fruit juices, dietary fibers, chain flavors. So usually these enzymes coming from microbial or bacteria or fungi. Cellulase, so animal feed, clarification of fruit juice, beer quality improvement. Pectinase, ito yung sa fruit juices. Glucose oxidase, shelf life improvement for para to prolong the expiration date of a certain food flavor improvement. So lacase I mean, so polyphenol removal of wine baking. Okay. Sa catalase naman, ito yung sa preservation of food, removal of hydrogen peroxide from milk prior to cheese production. Okay. So peroxidase, ito yung flavor, color, nutritional quality food. The alpha acetolactate dehydrogenase, so shortening the maturation of beer. Asparaginase, reduction formation of acrylamide during baking, and we have removal of bitter taste of fruit juice. Wine aroma enhancement, yung debittering enzyme nariginase. Next, to continue, for fruit juice species, these are considered to be gram-negative Bacillus, facultative anaerobic, so with the respective diseases. So fruit juice, food poisoning, the UTI, yung salmonella usually itong makita sa mga itlog, yung contamination of eggs, salmonella yan. Typhoid fever, okay, for typhoid, salmonella typhi, macres and serratia, so yung nosocomial respiratory, okay, Pwede siya ma-acquired sa hospital. Dysentery shigellosis, yung dysentery and suni. And enteroctica, yung Yersinia gastroenteritis or yersiniosis. Okay, we have Yersinia pestis, yung bubonic plague, and pseudotuberculosis. We have gastroenteritis and Yersinia yersinosis man siya. Okay? So, family Pasteurella, we have Haemophilus influenzae. So, gram-negative Coccobacillus, facultative anaerobic, ang epiglottitis, so the inflammation of epiglottis, meningitis, inflammation of the meninges of the brain, nasopharyngitis, otitis media, sepsis and pneumonia are caused by Pasteurella multocida. So, these are gram-negative Bacillus and Coccobacillus, the influenzae and Egyptus. Okay? Conjunctivitis, ito contagious, pwede ito makalaton ang Haemophilus Egyptus. Next, for Bacillia, Bacillus anthraceae, Bacillus anthracis and Sirius. This is Sirius, sorry. Positive, gram-positive Bacillus. So, facultative anthrax, cause ng Bacillus anthracis. Gastroenteritis, Bacillus Sirius. And we have listeriosis, Listeria monocytogenes. Okay. Staphylococcus aureus, of course, we have the furuncles, carbuncles, abscesses, folliculitis, yung toxic shock syndrome, pentigo, otitis media, pimples, scalded skin syndrome, styes, yung styes sa may mata na siya, no? Gabok, medyo may sore ang mata mo, toxic shock syndrome also. Okay. Yan, folliculitis yan, furuncles. Okay. Mapunggod ka. Okay. Obligate, anaerobic. So, we have our bacteria that are able to use molecular oxygen. So, obligate anaerobes, when bacteria have an electron transport chain, they cannot use oxygen as a final electron acceptor. Tawag doon, obligate anaerobes. Okay. They cannot able to use oxygen in their biochemical reactions. So, use oxygen in the cellular materials obtained from water. So, we have Clostridium species, perpengens. This is Bacillus, obligate anaerobe. Forms, there is endospores, yung gas gangrene that is caused by Clostridium perpengens and gastroenteritis. Tetanus for Clostridium tetani. Okay, may endospores man sila. Okay, Clostridium botulinum, botulism, wound botulism na siya. Pasteurella multocida, this one is pneumonia and sepsis. Okay, so mga aerotolerant anaerobes, what are they? It's an organism that tolerates presence of oxygen but does not require it for growth. So, yes, we have obligate aerobes, anaerobes, facultative, anaerobic. So, oxygen concentration. So, this one, try to look at the illustration. So, obligate anaerobes, usually bacteria are found at the higher portion because of the oxygen. Anaerobes dito. Okay? So, they don't require oxygen. Facultative anaerobes, so, ganon. So, mayroon hindi kailangan, mayroon man nagkilanlan. Okay? And we have aerotolerant, this one, anaerobic. So, microaerophiles. So, these are bacteria that grow under reduced oxygen. So, 5 to 10% lang kinanlan nila. So, increased carbon dioxide, 8 to 10%. Higher oxygen tensions may be inhibitory for them. So, usually, these are microaerophiles. 5 to 10% na ang limit. This environment can be obtained especially in jar or bags. So, may microaerophiles are Campylobacter jejuni and Helicobacter pylori. So, this one is cause the peptic ulcer disease. Okay. For culture media, so nutrient special prepared for growth of microorganisms. So, culture media used in microbiology. So, microbes that grow in multiply or in culture media. So, anong criteria ng culture media? So, dapat right nutrients for particular bacteria. So, when you grow bacteria, dapat specific man siya. Specific man ang iyan ng mga nutrients. Okay? Must be initially sterile. Should be incubated in proper temperature. Why sterile? To avoid contamination or cross-contamination from other bacteria. Okay? So, agar, this one is a polysaccharide derived from marine algae. It has a long been used as thickener, foods such as jellies, soups, and water, and clinical in clinical microbiology. So, this agar very common. Usually, we have to do the culture media using the nutrient agar. Okay, it contains polysaccharides. So chemically defined medium growth of chemoautotrophic bacterium that is able to use ammonium for energy. So ang concentration niya may ammonium sulfate, of course, that is number 1 constituents. Okay, we have sodium bicarbonate, sodium phosphate, potassium biphosphate, magnesium sulfate, ferric chloride, calcium chloride, water. So fastidious organisms that require many growth factors. Example, yung mga lactobacillus, they are considered to be fastidious organisms that require some different growth factors or even nutrient, okay, in order to live. So composition of nutrient agar or complex medium for the growth of heterotrophic bacteria. So may peptone, BIP, sodium, agar, and water na siya. So concentration per liter yan. So if you want to do the culture media, so pwede yung i-reduce yung ang imo yan na formulations. So kung gamay lang ang imo yan na i-prepare na culture media, you can use the ratio and proportion in order to reduce the quantity of the ingredients or constituents used for bacterial culture.